Everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to share with you what military teaches. What are the lessons we can learn from the military? Military teaches many lessons, and before I share the lessons, I would like to share with you a story. When I served in the Assam state from the year 1991 to 1993, I worked in B-17 helicopters, which are Russian-made helicopters, which is a VIP helicopter. I traveled with many celebrities, many top politicians, and I had the privilege of participating actively into various evacuation operations where the locals were stranded. So I actively participated in the evacuation process where the locals of Northeast India were stranded. We used to go by helicopters and we used to bring them back to the mainland. So it was truly an honor to participate in those operations. And when I served in the Jodhpur from the year 1986 to 1991, I had one more experience which is very exciting. When I was sleeping in the billet, suddenly my officer came and he woke all the airmen, and he asked us to dress up in overalls and carry minimum luggage. Then we all set right everything and we got ready in overalls. Then we were taken by Air Force vehicle to the transport aircraft in Jodhpur Air Force Station. From there, we were taken to a undisclosed destination, and we came to know later that three civilian aircrafts from a foreign country, they flew over the Air Force Station Jodhpur. They flew over the Air Force Station base. So our Indian Air Force pilots found that something suspicious because they flew over our Air Force zone. So they forcibly landed those three civilian transport aircrafts, and we were in the state of Gujarat at that time. That means they were force landed in Gujarat. So we were instructed to check the three civilian transport aircrafts. We checked everything and we found nothing. Then our officers gave clearance that no security was breached. And those pilots said that they didn't know and they lost the way somehow. Then, after giving clearance, those three civilian transport aircrafts left for their destination. And that day night we stayed in a hotel, and next day we came back to Jodhpur. So from this story, I felt that defense life is very challenging. We are trying to do routine things, but apart from routine things, we were prepared to do even the operations in which we won't be able to predict. So it was indeed a great experience. So there are many lessons you can learn from not only from Indian Air Force, from the military. When I was 18 years old, I joined Indian Air Force to serve my nation and also to support my parents financially. So the training was very tough in the Indian Air Force, but I enjoyed it. Why? Because I was born in a toxic family, grew up in a toxic environment. I found the environment in Air Force was far better than the environment where I grew. So I improved my attitude. I grew as a healthy citizen and excelled as a leader. So I am grateful to Indian Air Force for many reasons, because Indian Air Force offers equal opportunities for everyone, irrespective of faiths, languages, religion, and background. So these are all the things we learned, and apart from this, what military teaches in general is how to make decisions, how to be agile, uh, how to learn from failures quickly and bounce back from failures. It improves your risk-taking ability. It helps you overcome volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. Overall, military teaches you to acquire a unique mindset, tool set, and skill set. And the kind of training military teaches, no other civilian organization can teach. Most of the civilian organizations teach things, and the leaders learn by trial and error method. Whereas in defense, in the military, the way we are taught is to prepare mentally for the challenges. Of course, we encounter so many things which are unpredicted. So overall, military training gives lot of exposure, and it makes soldiers to be agile, active, and it teaches the soldiers to be continuous learners. It improves communication. It emphasizes character over charisma. It emphasizes character over competency. It emphasizes empathy. It enhances team spirit. If one soldier has any problem, all soldiers will unite and help. This is the thing I observed only in the military organization, not in the civil organization. So likewise, there are number of qualities the military people learn, and these things will make this military people to stand out from others. Wherever the military people work, they bring laurels to their organizations. That is the greatness of military training. So to conclude, military training gives lots of opportunities for soldiers to become lifelong learners and to become successful leaders and successful entrepreneurs. I would appreciate if you could like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on notifications.